Welcome back. It is Friday. We're going to do a good old roundup of the markets and see how they shape up this morning. Mike Eppel joins us now at the 680 Business Center. I got that nice and clean. Good morning to you, Mike.
Good morning, Melanie. Yeah, things look really good this morning, actually, coming into the Friday trade. And again, this month of September, where typically it's pretty volatile and typically also as well a money loser, hasn't turned out that way. We're coming off 4 record highs in the past 5 trading sessions for the Toronto stock market. The Bay Street benchmark is now up by 18% year to date. We've got some major rallies underway for the bank stocks, which, back last month, there were some saying, got to bet against the banks. And indeed, at that time, some of them were at 2-year lows, including the CIBC. Well, lo and behold, over the past 11 days, the CIBC has done nothing but go up. This morning it opens above $111 per share. It's still sort of a mediocre performer year to date, but better. Gold stocks have been in favor. The energy sector has certainly been one to watch this week, as early on we saw a big spike in those energy-related stocks. It's kind of cooled off a little bit. Nevertheless, not bad for Bay Street. And the markets in the U.S., incidentally, are coming off a mixed performance in the Thursday trade, but still on pace for a money-making week overall. Now, other things we're watching today include climate protests taking place today. And focal point on that, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos pledging to purchase over the next 20 years 100,000 electric vehicles, zero emission. And this to expand, again, Amazon's delivery fleet. They're buying them from a startup company. So, I mean, it's a long-term program. But nevertheless, Amazon's, aside from this, it's just been making these massive inroads into its own delivery service and shying away from the likes of UPS and FedEx. So, I mean, business angles here, certainly. We have seen the price for oil jump by, about 10% over the course of this past week, but the price for gas didn't do much of anything last night. In fact, over the course of the 5 days since Monday, Melanie, we've seen the price for gas go up by a penny here in the GTA. So we were all worried on Monday. Oh, my goodness, it was going to be this massive spike. And it could still happen. It's going to take its time to ripple through. But it has not happened yet.
Yeah.
So there you go.
There you go.
We'll see. Well, it'll be interesting to see what the forecast is going for the weekend. We'll get that a little bit later on this morning.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.